Hey guys, this is MacKids101, and today we're going to be making a video on a new app we've made called Facebook Stalker. And basically, this application allows you to get notifications about when you have messages sent to you on Facebook or when buddies sign online, stuff like that. And it also saves a little backlog, so that way you can see when people went online, information like that, from while the app was open. So it's pretty simple to get this app set up, so let me just take you through the steps and show you how to use it, stuff like that. So the first thing you're going to need to do is figure out your Facebook username. To do this, you go on Facebook, you go up to the accounts thing right here, you go to account settings, and then you'll see right here is your email, and above that is your username. You'll click on this little pencil and you'll set your username here. I have my username set already. You probably won't, so you'll have to set a username in order to use this app. That's just how it works. So this is my username, and it's what I'm going to be using for the app in this video. So once you have your username, we are done with the browser. The next step is to download the app. There will be a link in the description to download it, and then just go ahead and drag it into your applications folder. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and open it up. So you'll see right here it puts a little F in your status bar. That's all nice and dandy, and you can go up to the preferences and let's just play around with this. So here's where you'll type your Facebook username, here's where you'll type your password, and then here are a couple settings. So I suggest using both of these, both sign in upon application launch and start automatically login. Just that way you turn on your computer and this app will automatically run and sign you in. Here is another checkbox, automatically reconnect after 60 seconds. This is pretty much an essential feature because Facebook, for some reason, occasionally will just sign you out right away after you sign in or do something of that nature which will prevent you from being signed in anymore. And in order to circumvent this, you basically have to tell the app to reconnect after it gets disconnected. And this way you can have the app running for days and days and it'll just keep on reconnecting, so it'll run and work without you having to worry about it at all. So I definitely suggest this. And then for a lot of you, notifications when you get a message will be helpful because you might have Facebook chat open in a tab or something like that, and you don't want to have to keep on checking your browser again and again. You just want to get a notification when you get a message. So these are all the settings. It's pretty much how I like it. Now I'll go ahead and show you how you would manually sign in. Usually you wouldn't have to manually sign in, but this is the process you would go through to do that. You just hit the sign in button here. And now as you can see, I'm signed in right there, and it says I'm signed in. Sometimes Facebook pretty much disconnects you immediately and it'll reconnect after a minute or so and then keep you connected. So Facebook has weird behaviors, but usually you'll just sign in once, or maybe you'll sign in once and then it'll reconnect you after 60 seconds and you're logged in. So once you're logged in, you'll be getting notifications. If I get a message, something like that, I will see it. So that's nice. Like here's a notification right there for someone messaging me. I can go to my log and see a backlog of all the notifications I've gotten. In this case, just one. If someone were to sign on and offline, I would see it here. So pretty much anything you would see in this log. Here are a bunch of buddies that just signed offline, stuff like that. You can also go down to the notifications section, and this is an actually really nice feature because one of the things I noticed is if you just have a notification coming up whenever someone signs on and offline, that gets very, very frustrating very quickly. It's annoying, it clutters your screen, people are going to be signing off, you have a lot of friends, you're in deep trouble. So the notification system basically lets you just check off the boxes next to people who you actually care about watching, and then you'll get notifications for them. So this is really just a something that prevents you from getting cluttered by this system. A lot of people probably won't use this at all because you don't want notifications when people sign on and offline. But let's say you need to talk to somebody, you just check off them on the list, and next time they sign on, you'll see it. So that's a really nice feature too. So this is basically the Facebook Stalker application. Feel free to check it out, leave feedback. Source code will also be available in the description in case you're looking at that or you're interested in that. So hopefully some of you guys will find this pretty interesting. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and goodbye.